Hello everyone, and thank you studio. Good afternoon from Miyajima, Fuji City. I'm Uta Ito reporting with my team from MET English School. Joining me today are
My name is Taisei. My name is Yuto. My name is Luka. My name is Haruka.
Today we have a special feature on a local coffee shop that is famous for its delicious drinks and homemade meals. At table Toco, we'll meet the owner and learn about her business. Okay, let's go! Let's go! Good afternoon! We're here. I'd like to introduce the owner of a table Toco, Miss Hinata Ochiai. Hello! May we begin the interview?
Yes.
So first interviewer is Yuto.
Good afternoon. My name is Yuto. Why do you start your shop?
Thank you. Because I really love the small shop, something like a village shop, like restaurant, a cafe. So I began to do that. Thank you.
Do you have a favorite sandwich?
Yes. I love ham and cucumber sandwich. The simple one.
Sounds delicious. Okay, the next interviewer is Taisei. Taisei can introduce.
Hello, I am Taisei. When did you open your shop?
Okay, my shop it was started half and a year ago.
What kind of service do you offer here?
Okay, we always make some cakes and cookies or coffee, and sometimes we make lunch.
Oh, third interviewer is Haruka.
Hello, I'm Haruka. Do you work here by yourself?
Yes.
Excuse. Do you eat sandwich every day?
No. I like rice more than bread.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. The last interviewer is Luka.
Ruka.
Luka.
What do you enjoy most about your work?
Well, I always feel happy when I talk with my customers.
Do you have a play?
No, I don't have any. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Uta. How do you decide the menu?
We decided menu. We talked with my sister. We only made something we love. Only make.
Could you please explain how to make sandwiches?
Okay. So at first, spread the butter on your bread. So you use this butter knife and you spread the butter on your bread.
Okay.
Picture and video. It's yummy.
First ham. Next is cucumber.
Like this your English?
Yes.
And okay. Yes, next you put on cucumber. Next, I want you to salt and cucumber. So you take some salt and
Pinch. Pinch of salt. Pinch. Pinch.
Oh. Hi.
Hi.
this is the point. Salt make cucumber lion soft. So it's very important. Okay.
Soft but crunchy.
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
It's your last part. You put black
Together.
Okay.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I want you to cut your
Oh
sandwich.
wow.
Okay, cut. One at a time. Cut. Okay, start with you.
And dish out the sandwiches on your tray.
Ah, okay. No, no. Cut
So
it
you
here. Put it
cut.
here. Put it here. Yes, and then cut.
Cut. Yeah. Okay, careful. Cut. And put
It's already
on
cutting.
the
Okay.
plate. Design, your design. How do you design?
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay, next.
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 What's next? Next.
Cut
Okay,
like
you talk.
Yeah, you can cut that way. Okay, come on. Ah, okay, you talk.
You talk. Maybe you can use this for design. Okay, cut.
No, like this. No. Like this.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's it.
Good job.
Good. And then place it.
And put on their dish.
Yes.
Yay.
Perfectionist.
Perfectionist. Yes.
Okay, this is very
Gordon
perfect.
Ramsay.
Very good. And then, how about this one? What do you do with this?
Eat it.
Okay. Okay, next. Haruka. Go.
Topping. They make ice cream. Oh, nice.
Picture this.
Yes.
Can you give her a plate?
Oh, wait.
A platito. Platito. Yeah.
What is
A
this?
small plate. In Spanish.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, next. Okay.
the sound is like eatery.
Oh, yeah. Sounds
It
like.
sounds like it.
Yeah, sounds like.
Oh, so good.
Nice. Wow.
Wow.
This goes.
Oh.
Nice.
Professional.
Okay.
Professional like that.
Yeah.
I look, it's very
Professionally cut it. Okay. Sorry, what like this? Nice. Good design.
Diagonal.
Yeah. Okay. And about
Yay!
Plating.
oh, with this
Oh, nice.
That looks good.
Make a smile.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so do you have a message for students learning English?
I have. I want you guys to learn English because English is so useful for customer service. So I use English so many times on this shop for travelers. So I want to study hard.
Thank you. One word. Any advice? Do you have any advice for young people starting a business?
I want to tell you, don't be afraid making some mistakes on your life. So yes, let's try everything you want to do.
Thank you, Hinata.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Hinata, for sharing your inspiring story. We learned a lot about passion, dedication, and delicious food. So this has been our special effort from a table Toco coffee shop. Thank you for watching and learning with us today. Thank you.